I say, guy man, now everything is turning upside down. Clients know they to pay again. Work now is very difficult. What is your next plan? What is your backup plan? It's very difficult now to survive based on guy. Okay, here we are backup plan. You've been doing guy for decades. Even when the money was coming, a squandaya, a guy club, a warm mine, a warm wet, a butreg mine at chop, a merag dorime, a gado wine in the Thai, Tanzania, name it. Your hand was like this. But these days, the survival of the fittest. Okay, how your backup plan? How are you going to fix your life? There are opportunity. A lot of people now, a lot of companies here, they may employ Ndoji. So many people now running a factory. So many people now run a delivery companies. At least some people earns, depends how hardworking you are. Some people earns 80 ringgit per day. In a month you calculate it, you can be earning like 3,000 something. 3,000 something ringgit is more than 1 million naira per month. What is your next plan? A lot of you end up moving around the streets in the afternoon, 11 a.m. If you long 1 mile, and what has in the house, you cannot do anything productive with your life. What is your next plans? How are you going to fix yourself? On wago, each other get the no trigger water bills, house rent. Some of you have been here for years, 20 years, 15 years. You never even go back home. If you go back home, you don't even recognize your father's compound. You're not here, no document, nothing. Every day, Obi is a boy, Obi is a boy. You think you are getting young. At the age of 40, 50, no family, no wife, no child, nothing. Ekano. No waste your life. Ghana and one factory opportunity there. Open. Plan for your future. Plan for your life. At least be responsible for once. No. Ega, you will always give excuse. If you go there, Imiga will come catch you. Is it not better Imiga to catch you, send you back home than staying here, wasting all your life? From January to December, from month to month. You can't even, you barely take care of yourself. You can't even pay your bills. And you are here, being proud of yourself. And we don't want people to see you like, oh, he's now works in a factory, he's now works in a delivery company. But you can't even pay your bills. You can't even feed yourself. Can you just enter house and ask yourself question? What is your purpose? Why are you here? Think about your life. All you do is drink, gossip. It's crazy.